Hi everybody, I am back for another video, and today's video I'm going to be talking about Huda Beauty Contour versus Fenty Beauty Contour. So both of these babies are going to be put to the test. I'm wearing Huda on this side, Fenty on this side, and I'm going to talk to you guys about both. The Huda Beauty Tantour is a fairly new-ish kind of product, but I've thoroughly got a chance to test this one out. It is kind of like a cream to powder finish. The Fenty Beauty Matchstick is really good for travel because when you're out on the go, you could just I don't know why you would be doing your whole face in contour, but you get the idea. You could just throw it in and you don't need a brush to apply it. So that kind of just cuts out one step right there. It's pretty simple and easy. They're really both amazing products, and we're gonna jump right in to me applying these products right here. Okay, so on this side, we're gonna test out the Huda Beauty, and on this side, we're gonna test out the Fenty. This is what the Huda Beauty one looks like. It is the perfect shade for me, and my shade is medium. I like to grab a MAC 287 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just map out my contour. And keep in mind that everyone's contour varies based on their face shape. So this is the best contour for my face that I found works the best after years and years of testing different contours. So I'm just, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna really OD and contour in an extra way. So we're getting the jawline, and of course I like contouring a little bit around the lips too. Here we go. For the Fenty, I am the shade Truffle. With this one, I could actually go ahead and swipe it onto my face. So I'm gonna do that with this one because that's what it's intended to do, you know? And it glides on pretty smoothly, exactly like the other. Whoa. So a good thing about creams is it's fine for me to map it out way before I'm gonna blend it, because I'm gonna be taking my time blending each side. And that's okay because it doesn't dry down. So that's a bonus of a cream product for sure. Let's get into the nose because that's a must. It's kind of awkward to do the nose half-half, but we're going to somehow. And half done in Huda. So now we got both of our contours mapped out. Don't kill yourself being like, oh my God, are these even? You're blending them out, you're good. For blending out contour, I use this brush every single time, and it is one of my favorites. This is the MAC 170 brush. So this puppy right here is a really nice oval kind of it's dense, but it's so soft. It's perfect for this exact job. I could not be without it. So let's start with the Huda Beauty side. Blend it on out. So what I love about this is it's super easy to blend, minimal effort, which means that, you know, if you're in a rush and you want a cream contour, you can, because you don't have to spend 70 hours blending. So I'm just moving my hair to the side a little bit to get in there with my blending. And whenever I blend my contour out, I always go back in with my beauty blender just because, you know, we need that. So we got one side blended, that was the Huda Beauty side, and I'm gonna just wipe off my brush. And I just washed my brushes last night. You know the feeling of washing your brushes? You're like, like it's just the best feeling of life. Okay, so now let's blend out the Fenty Beauty side. Here we go. And again, with this product, it's super easy to blend as well. One thing about the Fenty is that it's good for travel. And there are so many different shades in that range, whereas the Huda Beauty only has about 5 shades, so you're kind of a little bit more limited with the Huda Beauty. I find that the Huda Beauties are a little bit deeper, so if you're way more fair and you're trying to cream contour, it's a little bit harder for those types of people, whereas the Fenty Beauty has a giant selection and you're not going to be struggling to find your shade for sure with the Fenty. So that gives a point to Fenty, TBH. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our nosies. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my favorite brush to blend my nose contour. This is the MAC Oval 3 brush. It looks like a toothbrush. I'm not going to be brushing my teeth with it. I am blending my nose out. So I just take it up the side of the bridge of my nose on both sides. Oh, I forgot my lip contour. Hello. Hello, guys. I'm not used to using separate contours for each thing, so that's weird. Both of the brushes that I use for my contour blending, they're a little bit pricey, but they're worth it because I use them every single day. But I'm sure there are dupes. I'm like looking like a granny. So make sure to blend out your lip contour if you go there. Now we're gonna go back in with my Beauty Blender. So my Beauty Blender still has some concealer on it. And I'm just blending that all out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face off camera, and I will be back in a moment to discuss with you which one I actually like better. BRB. You're electric, babe. Okay guys, so I am back, and just as a reminder, this side of my face was Huda Beauty and this side of my face was Fenty Beauty. So this is the outcome of both sides, and I feel like both of them are honestly great and they're really comparable. But if you have actually chosen a favorite between the two of these, then please comment below. When I'm looking for a product for contour, I always consider a few things. So I like to contour with creams only. And I obviously set them with powders afterwards, but I consider a couple things. So the shade. Is the shade proper? Is it gonna be a matte shade that is cooler in tone? That's a must. The formula. Is the formula easy to blend? Because nobody has time to blend for 70 hours. Okay, guys? So, and also nobody wants to accidentally end up with a harsh line on their face. Then another question is it sitting well on the face afterwards? How does it set? How does it work on my oily skin? Does it outline any imperfections in an odd way? If I was to rate it, I would say they're almost on the exact same level, but Huda Beauty, for some reason, in my books, it's a little bit higher up than the Fenty. It might be the finish of it. It's like a cream to powder finish. Everybody knows that foundation-wise, I am biased towards Huda Beauty. Again, not sponsored, but why not though? Hello, Huda? Where you at? Where you at, girl? I'm out here. I'm always talking about you. Okay, anyways. And I'm hoping that you feel it too. Hoping that you feel it too. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any suggestions for things you want to see, then please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.